In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a channel in Slack. Maybe a channel was archived a while ago and you've realized you still need it, or you just want to bring back an old conversation for reference. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact steps to restore that channel so you and your team can start using it again. First, make sure you're signed into your Slack workspace on your computer. This process is easiest to follow on the desktop app or in a browser rather than on mobile. To begin, you're going to use a keyboard shortcut to quickly find the channel you want to unarchive. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and K at the same time. This opens Slack's quick switcher, which lets you jump to different channels, direct messages, and conversations without hunting through the sidebar. In the search bar that appears, start typing the name of the archived channel. If you aren't sure of the exact name, type a keyword you remember from the name. Slack will show you a list of matching channels, including ones that have been archived. Look for the channel you want to bring back. Archived channels are usually labeled so you can tell them apart from active ones. When you see the right channel in the list, click on it to open it. Now that you're inside the archived channel, you'll notice that you can't send new messages yet. To change that, you need to adjust the channel settings. At the top of the channel window, look for the three dots icon, often called More or More Actions. Click on those three dots to open a small menu of options. From this menu, select the option that says Edit Settings. This will open the Channel Details panel where you can change things like the channel name, purpose, and status. Since this channel is archived, you'll see controls related to unarchiving it. In the Settings panel, find and click on Unarchive Channel. Slack may ask you to confirm that you want to bring this channel back. Go ahead and confirm. Once you do, the channel will be restored to an active state, and you'll be able to post new messages, share files, and use it just like any other channel. That's all it takes. By using the quick switcher, opening the channel, and adjusting its settings, you can easily unarchive